Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to another grocery haul video. This week I did an Aldi haul, so I have a fairly good size Aldi haul to share with you. If you're new to my channel, I follow the Weight Watchers program, but I also do track calories and protein. So when I share my grocery haul videos, I try to give the Weight Watcher points and also the calories as well. So I'm going to start down here with fruits and vegetables. Now, as I always say, with fruits and vegetables on Weight Watchers, they are mostly 0 points with the exception of fruit. If you're on the diabetic program, then you do have to count your fruit. And also, if you are counting calories, I don't really share calories on those because obviously it just depends how much of everything you have. So I got a thing of green onion. I got a 3-pack of sweet red peppers, zucchini, and a couple of things of broccoli. So if you know me, you know broccoli and zucchini I would say are probably my favorite vegetables. And then I got an English cucumber, a big thing of celery. I got a thing of spring mix. They had this on sale this week. I got a couple bags of sweet peas, a bag of mixed vegetables, and then I got some frozen fruit. I got a thing of berry medley and also some blueberries. I got a thing of Cosmic Crisp apples. Those are our favorite kind of apples, and those were on sale this week. I got a thing of beefsteak tomatoes, and then I also got a couple Roma tomatoes. So I actually prefer Roma tomatoes, and my husband likes beefsteak tomatoes, so I went ahead and got both. I got a thing of kiwi, some bananas. I chose some green ones this time just to give them a little bit of time to ripen because I still have 3 bananas left. I also got some red onion, some baby carrots, some mushrooms. I also got a thing of corn and these strawberries, which look absolutely amazing. They look so good. So I got these, and then it really made me want to make a big fruit salad. So I don't know, I may go pick up a pineapple after this and throw a fruit salad together. All right, I think that's it for fruits and vegetables. And then they had the mini avocados were on sale, and for these you can have 32 grams for 1 point, and that is about 50 calories. And then I'm going to move back here. I got some of these turkey sausage snack sticks. For these you can have 1 for 1 point or 2 for 3 points. And for calories, they're 80 calories for 2 sticks. So things like this, I don't really eat a whole lot, but they're nice to have, like if you want a quick protein fix. I think for the protein, yeah, 7 grams of protein for 2 sticks. Back there I got some hash browns. Those are 2 points for 100 grams. Or 90 calories, and the 100 grams is about 2/3 of a cup. And then they also had some potatoes O'Brien with onions and peppers, and these ones you can have 5 ounces for 1 point, and it is 60 calories for 1 cup, which is 3 ounces. I got some boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins, and those are 0 points on Weight Watchers. For calories, they are, I think, 80 calories. Yeah, 80 calories for 3.5 ounces. I got a couple of things of chicken thigh fillets. These are our favorite for my husband to barbecue. In fact, he's going to be barbecuing those tonight on the grill. We're probably going to have them with the corn. So for these, you can have 4 ounces for 3 points. For calories, 160 calories for 4 ounces. I got a couple of things of ground beef. This is my favorite kind of ground beef from there. It's the 93% lean, and for this it's 4 points for 4 ounces or 170 calories. So got a couple of those. Back here I got these for my husband. He really likes these. These are 7 points for each one. They are Angus beef patty cheeseburgers. They're like a flatbread pocket with the cheese and the burger inside. I actually haven't tried these, but he really likes them. So it's 7 points for each one and 190 calories. I got some skipjack tuna, like 6 cans of those. 0 points on Weight Watchers, 110 calories for the entire can. I really like this kind because of the protein. It has 25 grams of protein per can. I also got a couple things of canned chicken breast. Just like to have these in my pantry. These are 0 points on Weight Watchers, 60 calories for 2 ounces. I also got some ground turkey breast. This is the 99% fat-free, so this one is 0 on Weight Watchers. For calories, 120 calories for 4 ounces. I got a thing of ground chicken, 4 points for 4 ounces. For calories on this one is 160 calories for 4 ounces. And then I got a thing of pork chops. These are the ones, they have the really thin ones, and then they have these ones. I like to do these ones and just bread them. I think there's a Skinny Taste recipe that I use that is for breaded pork chops in the air fryer. It's really good. If I think of it, I'll put the link down below. If I forget and you're looking for it, remind me in the comments and I'll put it up there. So for these, you can have a 4-ounce portion for 3 points, and for calories, 190 calories for 4 ounces. I got a couple things of bacon. I got one that's fully cooked that my husband just likes to have in the fridge just to put on a sandwich or a sub or something if he's making those. These are 1 point for 1 slice, and for calories, 80 calories for 3 slices. And then I got some Appleton Farms center cut bacon, and this one is also 1 point per slice, and for calories, 60 calories for 2 slices. I got some salmon, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 200 calories for 4 ounces. I got some 1/3 less fat cream cheese, 3 points for 2 tablespoons or 70 calories. My favorite feta cheese, this is 2 points for 1 ounce and 60 calories for the ounce. I also got a couple things of white cheddar cheese. Usually what I do is freeze this. I'll freeze one and then keep one in my fridge. And we just like to have just one little slice of this at nighttime. 5 points on Weight Watchers per ounce and 110 calories. Also got some chicken breast sausage. This is the Never Any chicken breast sausage. 1 point for 1 link. If you have 2 links, it's 3 points, and then it's 45 calories per link. I got some vanilla protein shake. So this kind is 3 points per bottle, and for calories, 170 calories, and it has 30 grams of protein in this one. Got some ranch dressing, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 5 calories for half a teaspoon. So if you watch my last meal prep video, I made the viral cottage cheese protein dip. It's basically a ranch dip that you make it with this and also some cottage cheese, which I did get cottage cheese because I'll be making more of that dip. So Debbie, thank you for suggesting this cottage cheese. Y'all know I love the Good Culture cottage cheese. That's my favorite, but I think I'm gonna save that kind for eating and then use something like this kind for making the dip, because this kind is much cheaper than the Good Culture. And honestly, I like the reason I like the Good Culture is because of the texture. So if I'm blending this anyway, I don't really think that it'll, it's not gonna make a difference with the texture. So Debbie, thank you for suggesting this one. This one is 1% cottage cheese. When you scan this, it does come out to 2 points on Weight Watchers, but I know there's a lot of people that count this as 0. This kind and the Great Value 1%, I know a lot of people count it as 0 because it's so close to the fat-free, but like I always say, you do you. So this is 90 calories for half a cup, and like I said, scans at 2 points. And this kind has 13 grams of protein for half a cup. I also got some turkey pepperoni, a couple of things of that. For this, you can have 13 slices for 1 point or 22 slices for 2. If you're counting calories, it's 70 calories for 16 slices. Some biscuit ham slices. These are kind of like Canadian bacon. These are 1 point for 2 ounces or 60 calories. The 2 ounces comes out to about 4 slices. I got this. I haven't tried this before, so let me know if you've had this one before. This is chicken fried rice. This scanned out to 6 points per cup. So what I'll probably do, I may add in a little bit more vegetables and I'll add in some chicken. I have a whole chicken that I took out of my freezer. I'm gonna put it in the slow cooker this week, and then that way I'll just have some extra chicken for added dishes like this. So I'll probably add that to it. For calories on this, for the 1 cup, it's 230 calories. I also got this. I've had these before. This is cheesy ranch chicken. It's got chicken, pasta, carrots, broccoli, and corn, and a creamy ranch and cheddar cheese sauce. And this is 5 points for 1 cup. It's got 3 servings, so we would probably just split this between my husband and I. And then for 1 cup is 230 calories. So I've had some people comment that things like this, oh, that's a lot for just 1 cup. But just keep in mind that if you bulk it up and add some other vegetables, some 0 point vegetables, 0 point chicken, like really kind of bulk it up, then that 1 cup could become easily 2 cups for the same amount of points. Moving on, back here I got just some muscle meat. So if you like mussels, these are actually pretty good. I like to just throw them in some pasta with a little bit of olive oil and cut up some tomato in there, just like it shows on the picture. It's really good. And then these are 0 points on Weight Watchers and 80 calories for 3 ounces. I got some shrimp. We like to cook this like when we make steak or chicken, or if my husband cooks on the grill. In fact, tonight he may cook some of it up with the chicken thighs. And this one is also 0 points on Weight Watchers and 100 calories for 4 ounces. I also got some goldfish, and usually I buy these when my grandkids are coming, but they're not coming this weekend. I actually like these for just a snack for myself. It's 4 points if you scan it, so for 51 pieces is 4 points and then 140 calories, but you can actually have 29 of these for 2 points, so that's usually what I have. And what I'll usually do is just dip these in like a Laughing Cow cheese wedge, and then it's a nice little 3-point snack. And then we also got these. My husband wanted these. These are Parmesan garlic and herb pita chips. They sound really good. 4 points for, it's 9 chips, but when you put it in the Weight Watcher things, it comes out to 10 chips for the 4 points, and then it is 130 calories. We also got some cashews for these. It's 6 points for a quarter cup, which is 1 ounce, or 160 calories. Usually what I do is just have 1/8 of a cup, and then I just count it as 3. I also got a couple things of green beans back there, 0 points on Weight Watchers and 20 calories for half a cup. Got a couple things of black beans, 0 points on Weight Watchers and 90 calories for half a cup. Some diced tomatoes with green chilies, 0 points, and for calories, 20 calories for half a cup. I got a thing of mushrooms, 0 points and 20 calories for 1/3 cup. And also a thing of fat-free refried beans, 0 points and 100 calories for half a cup. I got a thing of minced garlic. I like to use just regular garlic in a lot of recipes, but I like to keep this in my fridge as well. And I actually really like the juice in this, because if I'm making like 2-ingredient dough pizza, I like to spread that juice on the pizza dough. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is the regular kind, not the sugar-free. This kind is 1 tablespoon is 2 points, and for calories, 70 calories for 2 tablespoons. So my husband prefers just the regular kind, not the sugar-free. And like tonight when he's making the chicken, I just go ahead and have this kind because he just brushes it on there. So I'm probably only getting the equivalent of about 1 tablespoon anyway. So it's easier that way than me having him do his with this kind and then mine with the sugar-free. I got some orange juice, Fit and Active, 50 calories, so 50 calories for a cup and 2 points. I got a thing of Olay Extreme Wellness Wraps, high fiber. These are 1 point per wrap and 60 calories. And these have a good amount of fiber in there, 12 grams of fiber. So if you're watching your carbs, it's 16 grams of carbs, but you subtract the 12 grams of fiber and you only get 4 grams of net carbs. And I got my favorite bread from Aldi, the Everything Sourdough. I really need to get back into making my own sourdough, honestly. I don't know if y'all remember about a year ago I started doing that and I just didn't keep with it. So for this kind, for about 2 slices, which is 2 ounces, it's 120 calories. I highly recommend weighing this out because sometimes if you get a piece that's in the middle, it could actually be the 56 grams for just 1 slice. So I highly recommend weighing it out. If you weigh it out, you can have, these are the amounts, you can have 55 grams for 3 points, or you can have 70 grams for 4. So if you scan this, it tells you 4 points for the 2 slices, which is 56 grams. But for that same 4 points, you can actually have up to 70. You can have 70 grams. When it becomes 71, then it becomes 5 points. And then my husband wanted this. This is triple chocolate cream cake. And for this, it's 290 calories for 1/7 of this. I have no clue how many points that is. And then he likes these little mini chocolate bars. So we got a couple of these for him. I think these are like 6 points per chocolate bar, but I prefer my Dove dark chocolate if I want some chocolate. And then for each chocolate bar of these, they're 230 calories. So that's it for my grocery haul video this week. As always, I appreciate your thumbs up and any comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.